What's going on, you guys? Back on another video today. Just another video. I got my cast off. Can't really see. I have my pizza. I'm under a blanket, which is a SpongeBob blanket. I'll come out. Okay. And here comes my cousin. Right there. Alright, I'll flip the camera around.
Would you care for a pair of what?
Stop.
Nice wordplay, Titans. And those puns. Now,
Let's just flip that camera around. And, let's... They can see you like 10 miles away. She's watching a show that I hate. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing today, but you know, yeah. I'm not recording you. Then do this, okay? They can't see anything. So yeah, I am back with another video, and don't know what I'm gonna do today. Yeah. I was recording you the whole time. I've got my mom's name on the cook. I just picked a random one. So yeah, that's a video telling you hi, and I'm back. So let's try to get to that let's try to hit 100 likes. And let's try to try to get 50 subs. So yeah, I'm back, and I had nothing to do, so I just started a video. So I'm gonna try to do some challenges. I'm not sure which ones yet, but yeah, so that's the end of the video. So let's try to hit 50 subs and 50 likes. And let's try to get that silver play button.